Hello, Terry here again with another haul. I gotta start getting some heavy-duty scrapbooking done here because there's a lot of a lot of stuff that's come in and nothing's getting used. But this one is from Cherry on Top, and I think I may have shown this in another haul. This is the Wild Holiday Home collection from Wild Whisper. But I thought I would get the 6-page collection kit, the cards, and a set of flair to put in a future giveaway because I love this brand and they're going out of business, and this is a great collection. So I thought I'm gonna put that aside. I've got a bunch of stuff kind of set up here for when I hit 500 subscribers, so I'll be doing a giveaway then, but that's what that's for. And then just picked up a few random things. This is Love Stories 06 from P13. I loved that. Very pretty. And then this is I think this was in the sales section. This is My Colors cardstock in charcoal, and I thought it was a really interesting color. It's like a gray green. I got 4 sheets of that, and then I got some of the this is My Colors as well, but this is Queen's Fern, and it's this is Queen's Fern. 2 sheets of that. It's got like it reminds me of the Basil Swiss dot. This is Boxwood. I think all of these colors would be good for Christmas layouts. Dusty Miller. This one's really pretty. Got a bit of a sheen to it, which is fine. And then I got 4 sheets of Lupine, which is a really pretty dusty green. So those, what else did I get? It's been a while since this has come in, so I'm kind of trying to remember what all's here. This is a Sizzix cardstock pack. I've never purchased the Sizzix before, and it's letter size in the neutral colors. So I thought that might be interesting to play with. Great for card pieces. And then, wait. Nope, I'm gonna set that aside for a minute. Some Posca pens. Those are in the clearance section. I don't think this was on clearance, but it's black gold metallic wax. So I'm planning to do a bunch of like upcycling vintage stuff here in the next little bit, because I've got to, once I take the Christmas stuff down, I have a new house to decorate, and I'm not sure how I want to go about it just yet, so just taking my time. I got a daily planner. I believe this was also probably in the clearance section. They're undated, and it's Kath Kidson, but it's fabric cover. Very nice. Very nice. This is, and I believe again this was maybe in the clearance, Soul Care Creativity Set by Mandy Ford, and I just thought it was awfully cute. It's got die cuts, ribbon, stamps, little tags, card envelopes, stickers, vellum, cardstock. These are cards, and a little journal. So I thought that was fun. I don't know if I'll use it or whether I'll use that as a gift or what. But anyway, I thought it was awfully cute. What else do I have? Oh, and there's one thing I don't have anymore. It was a glue gun, like a little glue gun, and then it had some gold glue and silver and I think clear, and I gave that to Mom because she had She has the old, remember those old glue guns that they were hotter than the surface of the sun, and like if the glue touched your hand, like it was a 17-degree burn. So she's got that at her little apartment. I thought that's just asking for trouble, so I gave her the new one to use for her crafts there. This is the Crochet Trims by Tim Holtz, and they're all different stamps, and I just thought this was beautiful, and I hope to get some good use out of that. This is Prima. I haven't bought Prima paper really a whole lot, but I thought it was awfully cute. It's called the Home Baker. Look at little mouses on it. So I got the little pack of paper. I got the ephemera pieces, which are basically all florals. From the looks of it, I don't think there's any mice in it. And then this is these spools of twine go with it. And then the crystals. You gotta get the satin crystals. So again, more card making stuff there. I got a couple more packs of the Prima Satin crystals just because I really like these. I want to say I might have this one, but I've used up like this green one's really pretty, and these blues are, you know, a little bit different and hard to match, so it's nice to have those. This is the Santa's Village enamel dots. So I think I got that to go with, yeah, I was going to put that with the Mercy Terra kit because there's some Santa's Village in that. These were just, I thought, super cute. The little birdie handmade embellishments. Little wee owls. I don't know if I'll ever use them, but they're so cute. And then this is sheer glitter ribbon. God, that's hard to read. Snow and Vanilla Memory Place. And I've just reorganized all my ribbon and trims. So I don't have anything like that. And I've also been on a flower kick. And so these are all, I think they're all Prima. Yeah. Prima florals. I was remembering I used to include these in all of my kits when I made monthly kits, and I found some when I was packing, so I have everything kind of reorganized to use, and I'm hoping to use a lot more florals coming up here. Sorry, I just heard the weirdest noise and it's the cat out there destroying a cardboard box. Oh man, I don't know what he's gonna do when I have everything unpacked and cleaned up. Like, there won't be any boxes laying around for him to play with. You hear him out there? Good grief. Okay, next thing. I don't know if you've been watching Sarah Scraps, but she's been doing her own kits kind of from a cherry on top stock and then just listing it in a wish list, and you can order it if you like. And I watched Tracy from Mercy Terra. She does these back, behind the scenes videos of the kits and talking about putting it together. And I remember how much I loved making kits, and I thought I'm gonna make one just for funsies, and like I would if I was selling it. Obviously I'm not, but that noise, I think it's the cat again. Anyway, so this is what I picked out. Now, I already hauled this in another video, but this is the 49 Market Birdsong Collection pack. So there was that, and then I added in a few sheets from the collection. I always love to cut apart. I felt like you could get a lot of traction with those. So that one is journal cards, obviously. And then this one is Chirps of Beauty. I love this green. And then you have some fussy cutting opportunities or just a pre-made page. This one is Tweets of Peace. And again, same thing, you can fussy cut that out, you can do whatever. And the thing with the 49 and Market, you have these great binding strips. So this one says Kindness Matters, Sing Your Song, and then they're just more of a pattern trim type of deal. I included a couple of Minte papers. These are from Always and Forever. So that's one side. And it's called, did they not name their papers? Maybe they don't. Number 1. But I chose it for this side. Look how nicely that goes with that peachy pink. And then I love a bokeh. I mean, obviously you can use this side if you like, but they're very busy. And I chose it for the bokeh. And this is number 2 from that line. I also picked out some Cocoa Vanilla. This is from Bloom and Grow. And this is Free Spirit. It's got little hearts on this side in all the same colors and stripes. I love a stripe because you can cut it this way and you've got all the colors, or you can just choose out the wide stripe you've got there. There is this one, which is Blooming Lovely, which Fussy Cutting Heaven, or a really nice neutral background, tone on tone. And I did 2 of those, so you wouldn't have to pick. And then this is Pretty Things, Beautiful Wood Grain, or again, you've got all kinds of extra embellishments should you cut those up. Put that over just for a bit of rest dry. And I did 2 of those. Then there was this. This is from P13. This is Flowerish 04 from, Flowerish. So this side's pretty, but again, I like this as a background type of thing. And then there's 2 sheets of white cardstock. This is the Basil Smooth. Carton. So it's got a bit of a cream bit to it, so you can use the, like, see, this is white, you really notice the difference there, but all of the Minte paper, or the 49 and Market papers will go really nice with that. And then I got the Cocoa Vanilla accessory stickers to go with that line. The Birdsong chipboard mixed set. So there's a lot, like there's titles in there, and then there's also some birds and like a really good variety there. Some of the P13 light chipboard in like fronds and ferns and that kind of stuff. Some more Bloom and Grow, the heart epoxy stickers. A couple of sets of, these have butterflies and florals. And then these ones are just a beautiful cream colored floral. And then I also grabbed some ink colors. I always like to include things that were gonna beef up your stash, so tool wise. So I would include an ink or a spray or something like that. So I did those, and then I did a paper splatter from Picket Fence in opaque gold. I've never used this, and I thought it was a really interesting product. It leans a little more orangey, more coppery, but that color features everywhere here. Also thought a stencil would be fun. This is a 12 by 12 budding vase. So make your own background with one of the inks on the smooth cardstock. And they had these. It's like a chip MDF ampersand. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I thought I needed it. So that was everything that I put in my kit. But then I thought it would be fun to offer one of everything to somebody else as well. So everything that I just showed in my kit is included here, and I'm going to do a giveaway for one of you guys. Let's see, when should we put the date? Let's say the end of February. Okay, give everybody a good, no, sorry, I hadn't really thought that through, and I wanted to think a minute on when we should do this. So I have my Mercy Tira $25 gift certificate giveaway running until January 24th. So let's make this, let's say Valentine's Day. You have until Valentine's Day, February 14th, to as long as you're subscribed and you like the video and you leave a comment. I don't care what the comment is, just something nice. And I will reach out to you about shipping this out to you. I'm hoping to do like a page kit video, you know how I do with Mercy Tira kits. I was going to do one with this and then hopefully show what I'd make with it. So might be something I do again in the future, but I got a lot of stuff to go through here. So yeah. Anyway, I hope this is something that you enjoyed. Just trying it out, kind of piggybacking off of Sarah Scraps, because I enjoyed watching what she put together and listening to how she came up with it. I'll link her video. She's on her second one now, so I'll link that one because I linked the first one she did already, and let you guys have a look at it and see what you think, and give her some love and give yourself some love. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna take off. Thanks for hanging out and checking everything out, and hope you're all having a great day. We'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.